But not only as a shelter, these mysterious cavities on the moon could be the center of the future space economy. Scientists believe that there may be some valuable resources hidden under the moon's soil that could completely change future space missions. The most discussed element among them is helium-3. This isotope is extremely rare on Earth, but it is believed that a large amount of helium-3 has been accumulated on the moon's surface over billions of years due to the influence of the solar wind. If nuclear fusion technology successfully reaches the commercial stage in the future, helium-3 could be a very powerful and relatively clean source of fuel. And that is why interest in the underground regions of the moon is growing among the world's major space powers. But there is something more important than resources. Scientists believe that these caves are a living museum of the moon's history. The moon's surface is constantly hit by solar radiation, cosmic rays, and meteorites. As a result, much ancient information has been lost. But the caves deep underground have been protected from outside influences for billions of years. They may contain evidence of ancient volcanic activity on the moon, information about the early history of the solar system, or some secrets that are still unknown to humans. That is why China, America, and other space agencies are now paying special attention to the lunar cavities. China is gradually strengthening its presence on the moon through its Chang'e program. On the other hand, America's Artemis program aims to send people to the moon again and establish long-term bases there. The two superpowers have one goal. Whoever can collect detailed information about these safe caves on the moon first will be the first to establish a future lunar colony. However, many questions are still unanswered. How deep are the caves? Are there multiple layers inside? Is there ice or frozen water somewhere? And most importantly, will these caves really be safe for human habitation for thousands of years? In the coming decades, robots and astronauts will be sent to the moon one after another to find answers to these questions. Just imagine, just a few decades from now, humans may not be living on the surface of the moon, but in huge natural caves hundreds of meters below. There will be laboratories, housing, food production systems, and even small cities. The moon, which we once saw only as a satellite shining in the night sky, may become the second home of human civilization in the future. And today's mysterious dark holes may open the door to that future. So, those small black holes seen on the moon's surface are not just holes. They may be the entrance to the next biggest expedition in human history. Maybe hidden deep in this darkness is the unknown past of the moon and the new address of the future of mankind. If you like the video, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to learn more mysterious information about space and science. Thank you.